we have been able to look at our dashboard online and we saw that we have 365 subscribers.
Wow!
We couldn't have made it without you guys, and to think we were able to connect with you guys and offer something that can brighten your day, if not help you through whatever you're doing.
We are planning to have small videos about our life here at Brigham Young University, Hawaii, but also
we'll continue to be releasing different videos about us, our lives, Filipino culture, and things like that along the way. Yeah.
Friends.
So stick around, like, comment, and subscribe. This week we'll be talking about the women's Hales, or the women's housing. And with that, I'll leave it to Micah.
Aloha everyone. So I'm Micah. I'm from the Philippines. This is my last year. So I checked in, and my hale, or the apartment that I'm assigned at, is in Hale 1. So that's one of the oldest hale here at Brigham Young University, Hawaii. Getting in, I have my luggage, I went inside, and then there's an office that will welcome you, office staff, what we call the residential advisor, the RAs, that will welcome you and will give you instructions going through all the paperworks and rules, procedures, and the things that they observe in the Hales. So that's my experience checking in. It takes a little bit of time, like 15 minutes, but for the most part, it was fun. Well, it's a pretty good space for a student dorm. So in one room, there's 2 separate beds, separate study tables, separate cabinet, and so it's a pretty good space. Not really big, but just enough for you to put your things away. For my first hale, there are 8 of us inside the unit, and then in hale 4, there are 6. Hale 1 is more cozy. You have a couch, you have an oven inside your unit, a really big kitchen. You also have a pantry area, which is pretty cool, and a huge area for bathroom and for shower and all that. While Hale 4, it's just a medium space. We don't have a couch. It's not really cozy. It's a typical student dorm. You have a kitchen, but we don't have an oven inside the kitchen. We need to book it inside the building. There's one. Oh, I love all my roommates. I've had a great time with them, mingle with them, talk to them, but most of the time we're pretty busy and we're doing all of our work. My roommate that stays within the same room that I stay, I love them. I love them all. But sometimes I have problems with other roommates in different rooms, especially when it comes to washing dishes and throwing out trash, or for the most part, washing dishes. So in the Hales, there is a policy that you need to do a weekly clean check. So in one unit, each of you are assigned in a different area. For example, I'm assigned the bathroom, and then your roommate is assigned kitchen or something like that. But all of you are responsible to clean your own bedroom space, and besides that, a general area in your dorm. Every Wednesday there is a clean check. Don't forget that. RA will go to your room and check if you really clean the general space that you are assigned at and your bed space. But right now, because of COVID, you take a video of your room and of the general space that you're assigned at. Another one, we have trash check. Every week, again, each of the students inside a unit is assigned to take out the trash before 11:59 or before 12 or 10. But there's a limit of time. Sometimes I forget it. If you forget your clean check, you need to have a recheck or you'll get fined. If you forget your trash check, it's either you do a punishment or you get fined. Check out is one of the you need to take all of your things out. Let the RA know, the residential advisor. You could call them, you could email them, or you could go to their office at least a week before you check out. So you'll sign up the date, they have papers for you. They also assign you to clean a certain general area like bathroom or kitchen or floors. Yeah, whatever suits them. And they need to check your room too if it's clean and if it's ready for the next resident to live in your space. For the most part, I love living in the Hale, especially when you really talk to, network, and communicate with your roommates. I also love how residential advisor takes care of us. You also have a Hale mom and a Hale dad, Hale parent. So they're really caring. They are there for you. Sometimes they will remind you to turn down the volume of your music because it makes sense. Some people are sleeping early and you need to turn down your volume. But just don't forget your clean check, trash check. Be kind to your roommates. If you can't deal with them, then just survive. So that's my experience living at BYU Hawaii residential apartments, or what we call Hale.